Markel Intzauraga and Loren Mendizabal, and we are a student from the Institute of Elorrio, and our project is about water filtration.
Our objective is to be valid in poor countries, and we designed 3 variables with magic materials. This one have charcoal, ashes, sand, and rocks, and it has a cloth too. This one have rocks, it has charcoal and it has sand, and this one have a coffee filter with rocks and ashes.
We have also taken water from the river Sumelegi in 3 different parts: Gazeta, Iguria, and Lavacua Street. And finally, we check the results comparing to clean water using colorimetry strips and an Arduino for the turbidity and solid in suspension.
We hope we have the results to the synthesis.